Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your aura frame suddenly stops displaying photos and the screen appears blank, frozen, or stuck on the same image, it can feel disappointing, especially when you expect your favorite memories to appear automatically. Sometimes the aura frame may stay powered on but refuse to sync new pictures, while in other situations uploaded images never appear at all. This problem can happen because of Wi-Fi interruptions, syncing delays, account connection issues, or temporary software glitches inside the frame. Since an Aura frame depends on internet access and cloud syncing to display pictures correctly, even a small interruption can affect what shows on the screen. The major thing is that many display issues can be fixed with a few quick checks before assuming there is a major problem. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an Aura frame not displaying photos. Try these. Step 1. Check the Wi-Fi connection on the Aura frame and make sure the Aura frame is connected to a stable network. Step 2. Open the Aura app connected to the Aura frame and confirm the Aura frame is linked to the correct account. Step 3. Restart the Aura frame by unplugging the Aura frame briefly and reconnecting power to refresh the Aura frame system. Step 4. Review the uploaded pictures in the Aura app to confirm the Aura frame photos were added correctly to the Aura frame. Step 5. Check the Aura frame display settings and make sure the Aura frame slideshow is active and updating properly. Step 6. Wait a few moments and confirm the Aura frame begins displaying photos normally again on the Aura frame screen.